Hi, Larry King here. My website is called Help with Foreclosure. On the website, there is another video that talks about the 5-day auction, which is the subject of this particular video. 5-day auction works very simply because you are going to attract people who are both investors and also homeowners. 5-day auction mandates that you put out a 5-day newspaper ad in the local newspaper that covers wherever your home is, and that on Saturday and Sunday you have open houses both days. During those open houses, oh, by the way, if you think the home, let's say the house is worth $200,000, but in this market you think you might be able to get $170,000, you will advertise it in the paper for $85,000 with a note that it is subject to bank approval. And when you get people going through the house, you ask them if they're interested in bidding on it. The bidding doesn't take place until Sunday evening after the second open house is done. What we have done, and the most effective advertising we have found that works, are printing flyers about the home and having them distributed door to door to anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 homes. As many of you that are already seasoned investors know, most homes will be sold to someone within a 1-mile radius or someone they know. And that's exactly what we found to be true again and again and again. 5-day auction is very, very nice in this market because if you get a home under contract for, let's say, 60% of the value, selling it to a wholesaler, at least in our environment down here in South Florida, is impossible. They're not paying 60 cents on the dollar anymore, 50% maybe. However, someone that likes the house, because this does work extremely well in homes that need no repairs, this would be an opportunity for a homeowner to find a home, instead of paying 100% of the value, paying perhaps 70% of the value. You've got it under contract for 50%, you make the spread. 5-day auction, go to my website, helpwithforeclosure.com, and learn more about it. Also, if you're interested in licensing, and I do exclusive licensing agreements county by county around the country, you can pick the county you're interested in, find out if it's available. It's $1 a day, and you can add to your advertising and marketing helpwithforeclosure.com. The way it works very simply is someone will go to that website, there's a map of the U.S., they click on their state of interest, then they click on their county of interest, and if you're a licensee for $1 a day, again, no long-term commitment, all of your contact information appears, along with 17 videos that explain to that homeowner the options that they have. 5-day auction works well, and you get more than you would to a wholesaler, which is, if you're in this for the money, that's what it's all about.